Welcome back. My name is Yadira, a holistic practitioner and co-founder of Oracle of the Body. In this space, we bridge the connection between the mind, body, and spirit, guiding you into alignment and healing. For the past few videos, I've been speaking about the lymphatic system, the father of the body, highlighting the importance of the lymphatic system. In today's video, we will learn about self-hatred. We've already learned about anger and guilt, and this one is very important. This affects many women around the world. Self-hatred stems from deep-seated feelings of unworthiness, comparison, and societal conditioning. Women are often bombarded with unrealistic beauty standards, expectations of perfection, and the pressure of fulfilling multiple roles flawlessly: mother, daughter, partner, professional, friend. When this pressure builds up, self-doubt turns into self-criticism, which spirals into self-hatred. Unlike fleeting emotions, self-hatred affects every aspect of a woman's well-being. It disrupts mental clarity, drains physical energy, and weakens the spirit. It creates a cycle of guilt, shame. This makes it hard for you to see your own value. Self-hatred is even more powerful because it truly does influence, and not in a positive way. It influences your actions and decisions, leading you to self-sabotage, neglecting your own personal needs, and many times settling for less than you deserve. This one mood swings really requires self-awareness, and you must stop comparing yourself. Yes, it requires a high level of acknowledging the self and your worth. And this doesn't happen overnight. It's going to take a lot of practice. But believe me, it's not impossible. That's why we're here, to help you cultivate self-love, self-healing. Here are some powerful foods to elevate your energy and healing. We have dates. Dates, okay? They boost serotonin. That will help you shift self-talk to self-love. Dates are packed with magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, which are essential for women's health. Iron supports energy levels and combats fatigue, especially with women with anemia. Magnesium helps regulate mood, reducing stress and anxiety. This will contribute to self-doubt. B vitamins enhance the brain. Remember, ladies, you are intelligent. You need some B vitamins to enhance that creativity, that love, that essential being that you have within that's waiting to be explored. It also promotes emotional balance, promoting a positive mindset. Rather than having coffee, have dates. Coffee gives more mood crashes that lead to emotional spirals, especially all the sugars that are in milk and creamers. Strawberries are packed with antioxidants. You can get yourself a pack of strawberries for less than $7, okay? Which is way cheaper than coffee. And the outcome of eating strawberries is way better, way beneficial, way rewarding. Mangoes. Mangoes are packed with nourishment, vitamins that support emotional balance, something we really need during our cycle. And I know women want to take care of their skin health. Mangoes is the way to go, naturally. Yes, the texture may be a little uncomfortable for some people. Make yourself a juice with it. Mango is reinforcing self-acceptance. This is key right here. Grapes. Grapes detoxify, helps flush out toxins and stagnant emotions stored in your lymphatic system. And it's not expensive. Again, you can purchase this for less than $10. And most importantly, hydration. Okay. Now, something that is very awesome, if you don't like eating the fruits, just cut them in pieces and put them in water. Mangoes, raspberries, strawberries, oranges. I put almost about any fruit that is pleasant for water, and I leave it overnight and I have it in the morning. So water is very important. To stay hydrated is essential for the body and the nervous system. Something very important when you're cleaning the lymphatic system and detoxing is to drink a lot of water, and you can also incorporate brushing. Of course, there is a certain way to maneuver the brush and stimulate the cells, but you can also use brushing as a way to release and cleanse the body. Brushing also boosts the immune system as well as restore balance. So that's something you can also incorporate into your self-healing. This completes the topic for today, self-hatred. I'm sending you guys tons of love and light so that your continual journey of self-healing expands and you continue to create self-love for yourself. Love and light.